November 2, 2025. I'm still here in Israel working. But now I'm just having a short walk for today's vlog. Oh, the train is coming. Yeah. There's a plane there. Hope you can see it. I cannot zoom the camera. But anyway, I'm going to the big park there, over there. And I'm just gonna visit the fish. I just want to see the fish. Because there's a pond. Do you want to come? So come and join and walk and enjoy the life that we have right now. Ooh. I'm getting nearer. It's over there. It's over there. And here I am. I just arrived. This is it. It's so huge, right? See? Look at that. Look at that. This is not my first time here. I visited. I've been here for a couple of times already, and I am just visiting right now because this is my first time going here with a buzz cut hair. Yeah. What's the connection? Nothing. No. I visited here when I have a long hair. I visited here when I have my pixie cut haircut, and now my buzz cut hair. It's very big here. I love going here, but unfortunately I cannot go here every time because this is a little bit far from my area of responsibility. So I don't have the leisure. I don't have like the chance to go here every day. Yeah. Sana walang tae. Alam niyo ba dati nakaapak ako ng tae sa ganito, sa mga madamuha, limaw sa banga. Katapak ko ng tae ng aso yata yun, pasaway. But anyway, let's proceed. So this is the place. I hope I can see the fishes again. Fishes. Let's see, because there's a lot of big fish here. Wow, I saw it there. 1, 2, only 2, only few. Sometimes there's a lot. Some is over there, and there's a bird. I don't know what's the name of that bird, but yeah. What do you call this fish? Kind of fish? I forgot the name. Koi. I think koi. I remember koi. Look at the place. La 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 la. Yep. This bridge is a new one. I don't remember when was the last time I went here, but this is just around this year 2025. But now this one is a new one. It's already open. So later I will go over there to go outside. I can there is the fish. Did you see it? Because the water is a little bit dark, but I see 3. I don't know if it's tilapia. It's not koi. The color is black. It's like tilapia or carp. I'm not sure. See, I hope you can see it there. It's really big. Hi. So this is the big park that I'm talking about. I made a couple of videos already about this area. Ooh.